Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to learn how to make money online in 2023, you're in the right place. Today, we've got some exciting strategies and tips to share with you that can help you earn from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, freelancing and remote work. Our first method is freelancing and remote work. With the rise of the gig economy, there are endless opportunities for individuals with various skills. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking services like writing, graphic design, programming, and more. The key here is to showcase your skills and build a solid reputation to attract high-paying clients. Number 2, content creation. Next up, we have content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast, or even a TikTok account, creating engaging and valuable content can lead to multiple streams of income. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or merchandise. Number 3, e-commerce and dropshipping. Moving on to e-commerce and dropshipping. Creating an online store and selling physical or digital products has become more accessible than ever. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy allow you to set up shop without the need for extensive technical knowledge. With dropshipping, you don't even need to handle inventory products or ship directly from suppliers to customers. Number 4, online courses and ebooks. Another great option is selling online courses or ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can package your knowledge into digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell your courses or ebooks, helping you generate passive income over time. Number 5, investing and trading. Now, let's talk about investing and trading. While it comes with a certain level of risk, online trading platforms allow you to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. Just remember to do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial experts before diving in. Number 6, social media management. Social media management is another lucrative avenue. Many businesses are looking to maintain a strong online presence, and they're willing to pay for help. If you're skilled in social media marketing, content scheduling, and engagement, this could be a great way to earn money online. So there you have it, a variety of ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the digital world offers plenty of opportunities. Remember, success in any of these methods requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on how to thrive in the online landscape.